Here's a short video on how you can merge all your disclosures on Expert Pro. Merging your disclosures allows you to create a compliance package and manage your regulatory requirements. This is important to ensure you are meeting your compliance requirements. To merge disclosures and create a compliance package for your client, you will first need to go into their application. You can do this by clicking on Applications in the left navigation pane. Once you are in Applications, locate your client and click on their name to access their application. If they have multiple applications, click on View Applications next to their information and locate the application you require the disclosure package for. You can also locate their application through their client profile. To do this, click on Board in the left navigation pane. Once you are in Board, locate the correct board. The client profile is located on by clicking on the drop-down next to the board name. Once you are in the correct board, click on the client profile. Once you are in the client profile, scroll down to the Client Application section and select the application you need to create the disclosure package for. Once you are in the client's application, click on Forms in the top navigation pane. Once you are in Forms, you may have the option to edit certain disclosures. Make all edits and changes as required, and then click on Select All. After you select all the disclosures, click on Print Selected Documents. You will then receive an option to save the package to your desktop. You also have the option to select specific disclosures and compile them to create a package. Simply select the disclosure you are looking to compile and then click on Print Selected Documents. You will then see the option to save the package to your desktop. That's how you can compile your disclosures to create a compliance package on Expert Pro.